Here's a demonstration of my latest 3D printed design. It's a saw hanger that you can just lift the saw up out of. See, all you have to do to use it is you just slide the saw, or well, any flat tool really, up in and let it pull down and hang under its own weight, and it's gripped. So one aspect of this mechanism that's very important is the friction, because the wedging action kind of relies on a little bit of friction between the roller and the plane, as well as the inclined plane, that is, as well as the metal. Now, I've printed all these from PETG, which has very little friction against itself and very little friction against metal. So for that reason, what I've done to address this is just put a wrap of electrical tape around that. So in addition, the diameter of this roller is 3/4 of an inch, or 19 millimeters. And so you could use a wooden dowel, which would probably give you enough friction to do the job. Another option is you can use rubber bouncy balls. You get ones of those that are about 3/4 diameter. That'll work in here too. Any of these, sort of anything that rolls and has some grip. But now with the addition of that electrical tape, this should... yeah, that grabs and wedges quite well.